Depot Park in Gainesville, Florida, has a rich and interesting history that dates back to the late 19th century. The park originally served as a site for a former Seaboard Airline Railway depot. When the depot closed in the late 1960s, the city of Gainesville purchased the land and established the park in 1981. Since then, the park has been expanded and now includes a play area for children, a skate park, a dog park, walking trails, and a scenic pond. It also serves as the home of Historic Gainesville Hawthorne State Trail. The park is a popular destination for locals and visitors alike and has become a beloved part of the Gainesville community. Depot Park is also the start of the Historic Hawthorne Trail, which spans 16 miles. It's perfect for hiking and biking. All right, we are on our way to Depot Park in Gainesville, just for a quick little afternoon. Got the drone, and we're gonna get some footage. And that's where it relocated, across the street. And it's now a bus station depot. Also, the section down on the rightmost side, is approximately circa 1880s. This part is a little newer, not much, 1910. It's a fairly new Cade Museum back there. Spark Innovation is the motto. Tons of stuff to do out here for kids, adults. There's a dog park. A good walking trail here. Also, it goes through the city. And the starting point is right here. Mile 0. All my cruising people, some MSC shipping containers out here in Gainesville, right by the depot Park.